Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study science effectively. First, thoroughly understand your syllabus and the exam pattern. This foundational step helps you identify key areas. Next, prioritize topics based on their weightage in assessments, focusing more on high-scoring sections. Finally, create a realistic and consistent study timetable, dedicating at least 2 hours daily to science subjects. This structured approach ensures comprehensive coverage and better retention. Mastering science begins with conceptual clarity. Avoid rote memorization. Instead, strive to understand the why behind each concept. Utilize visual aids like diagrams, flowcharts, and mind maps to simplify complex information and improve recall. For subjects like physics, consistent practice of numerical problems is crucial. Aim to solve at least 5 to 10 problems daily to build confidence and speed. Regular revision and practice are vital for success. Make it a habit to revise all chapters weekly, reinforcing what you've learned and preventing forgetting. Solving previous year's question papers and sample papers is essential. Aim for at least 10 full papers. This practice familiarizes you with the exam format and common question types. Identify your weak areas from these practices and dedicate extra time to strengthen them. Beyond studying, your well-being significantly impacts performance. Maintain a healthy diet and ensure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. During study sessions, take short, 10-minute breaks every hour to refresh your mind and prevent burnout. On exam day, stay calm and confident. Read questions carefully, manage your time wisely, and trust in your preparation. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.